Good morning, the students of class 6, Odar International School, Hisua. Dear students, I am Prakash Sharma is standing before you to teach the topic Who I Am. Dear students, here is a collection of gathering of 6 boys and girls, and they think like and their plans about their future. It is true that when all of you gather together, then each one asks, what will you do in your future? Or what will you do? Like, so every young mind is think with their ideas, and their ideas are different to each other. Dreams and imagination. Suppose that you are the student of class 6 and anyone asks you what will you do in your life, or which job do you like, then your answer will be doctor, engineer, teacher, soldiers, cricketers, national players, etc. And when any of his dream is broken, mostly people dreams to decorate their lives, but any of his dream is broken, he or she, either boy or girl, she feels frustrated, full of tension. So, life of today is very complicated thing. One has miles to go before he can rest a while. Nobody has a smooth sailing in his life and career. Every student has tension. One has to struggle a lot to do reach his goal. There is a lot of tension because goal is not easy. There are so many difficulties to reach the goal. There is a rat race for all the good things of life, for real happiness. The statement of boys and girls are straight and frank. At first, I want to tell you Radha. Radha is a girl, and listen what she wants. Radha loves to climb trees. She goes up the mango tree that is outside of her house, which she loved much and always wanted to go near that tree. It is so easy for her because its branch spread out. She can sit comfortably in the fork of two branches. Her mother, however, tells her that it is not suitable for girl because some jobs are not liked by the girl. But one afternoon, that means one day afternoon, the mother as well as Radha was sitting near the tree and eating some raw fruits. Seated high up the tree, Radha has a feeling. When she climbed on the top of the tree, then she felt she can rule the world. That means her ambition is not less than men. She doesn't feel like only men can do it. Next boy I am going to tell you Nasir. Nasir is a boy and he has a career plan. He always thinks about his career and he thinks when he will grow up he would become a seed collector because he is interested to collect seed and it would save his father's money on buying new seeds. Dear student, it is true that the student who has great interest in the work which he liked gets success in the sector of that field. His grandfather used to collect seeds many years ago and he would tell him from his own planets which could be sown to grow a new plants during the next year. Dear student, this is the thought of Nasir. Nasir also wants to learn how to preserve seed so that he could save the money and learn the technique so that he can use it again and again and not spend money every year. That means I want to say that Nasir has a great plan to create his career as a seed collector. Dear students, after that I want to tell you Rohit. Every student has a dream to do in his life. Just like Rohit has a dream, a lot of, provided he had plenty of money. When he had plenty of money, because he has a great love of nature, he wants to see the mountains, trees, and the mountains of New Zealand, not only India, but New Zealand, and sail down to Amazon rivers, as well as leave the beaches of Lakshadweep. The plan of Rohit is also to see the sun temple that is known as Konark Temple in Odisha and Old City in Beijing and China, and the pyramids of Egypt. Dear students, thus we can say that every student has ambition, every student has interest, and every student has affection, and especially those sectors who has great interest in those sectors, and certainly they succeed according to choice. So, dear students, I would like to tell you what is your choice. You have to decide, and from this time you have to work and the choice of the field. Thanks.